Alright, so for this one, I just wanted to really quickly see what could be done with just a base model. And so from there I decided, you know what, let's go with a kind of monk of some kind. Some Asian Taoist type of character, and just decided I'd go from there. And what I did first was just start by overlaying clothes and hair, and then from there I started doing the coloring. Let's get some base neutral colors and some base skin tones. And to make it kind of pop, make him feel a little distinct, give him some nice dark red hair. Because, you know, you gotta have a little bit of showmanship. And one of the hardest things is deciding on a color scheme, to be honest. Well, that and erasing. But when you work with multiple layers, erasing can be quite a bit easier, because you don't have to worry about erasing anything else other than the layer you're working on. So yeah, right here it's basically just cleaning up the lines, cleaning up the color, just going through and doing just some normal erasing and redrawing part of the mouth, because I'm not good with mouths. That's where beards come in very handy. And then from here went to coloring the other layers, starting with the belt. Gotta go with a nice royal purple, because this guy is supposed to be an enlightened monk of some kind. So go with the idea of a kind of ruddy gold and royal purple kind of design. And the whole trick is just keeping it clean. And then for the pants, you can't really go wrong with the muted gray. It can look classy, but it can also look like work pants. And just find something that fits and doesn't detract. So I was almost going with blue, but blue would clash a bit, so I just decided to go with a gray. And then just, once again, just clean up the lines. And now it's on to the shading, which is one of, if not the most important part of bringing a drawing to life, is adding the shading, because that's what makes things pop. I also did some edge work and some little flares for the shirt design, and then added some texture to it to let it pop out a bit with the shading. And just let it feel more three-dimensional. And there you go.